Cuyahoga County Public Library is now providing virtual Zoom rooms for customers to book from home for free. Accommodating up to 300 participants, the virtual spaces can be used for meetings, webinars, and conferences for up to 2 hours at a time. To reserve one of our Zoom rooms, first go to www.cuyahoga.library.org. Under our Services tab, you'll click on Meeting Spaces. Near the bottom, you'll see our Zoom Rooms category and click Learn More to proceed. Please read the full description and user agreement before proceeding to reserve a room. Next, pick the date you're looking to book and which room you'd like to reserve. All of our Zoom rooms are available 24/7. The available times will be shown in green. Click your start and end time and the Reserve Now button when finished. Here you'll provide all necessary information for the reservation. If everything looks in order, click the Final Reserve button and you're done. Your confirmation email will include a dedicated link for your meeting that you can share with whomever you'd like to invite. If you'd like to manage your booking, click the link below. You can find your booking either with your last name and reference code, or with the library card number and PIN used to reserve. It's as simple as that. Our Zoom rooms give you free access to paid features that you can't get from Zoom's basic tier, so book your next Zoom meeting with Cuyahoga County Public Library. Have a great meeting.